Bond paid. You will love this Cute Colony Patio Villa 2 halves with a 1.5 car garage. New roof 2017, new AC 2010, new hot water heater 2015. As soon as you pull up you are going to love the low maintenance all rock landscaping. Enclosed front patio area to sit and watch the beautiful Florida sunsets. This popular floor plan features an open floor plan, no carpeting, and a solar tube for added natural light. The spacious kitchen with a large breakfast bar, natural gas, cozy eat-in area, and closet pantry. The slider off the dining area provides easy access to the side patio, a great spot for grilling or just relaxing. The bright master suite has a large walk-in closet plus private bath with walk-in shower. The guest bedroom is perfect for the occasional guest, and the guest bath is roomy with a tub/shower combo. Slide screen on garage door. This lovely villa is located in the Waverly Villas in the laid-back village of Piedmont. Great location to executive golf courses, Nancy Lopez C.C, Mulberry Plaza for shopping and dining. VA clinic minutes away. Schedule your appointment today.